Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text appear one by one in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to go your text slide. Then select this text and go to animation and click appear. Now again select this text and click animation pane. Then click this drop down menu and go effect option, then click animation text by later and click seconds delay between 0.5 not 0.4, then press OK. Now you can see we make text appear one by one in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.